Gĩcanjama nĩkĩrĩkĩtie kwĩyumĩria thutha wa ndeto iria iratrendisha Theresa mamake Mũraya gũkorwo akĩhoya ũrekeri. Seneta Karen Nyamu na ũrĩa wakinyĩtie igongona-inĩ rĩa Theresa mũthenya wa Sunday nĩarutĩte mawoni make kũgerera page-inĩ yake ya Facebook akiuga we ti mũkenu thutha wake kuona Theresa akĩ apologize gĩ quote ũrĩa andĩka. Kairĩtu gaka Theresa, nimesikia uki-apologize na ndinakena. Is there anyone who has done anything for you that is worth your children and their dad being humiliated? Unajua vile ulinibamba nikisikia hizo audio. You are not a beggar. Jerry will remain unimpressed. Online baron expect you to lie flat and they walk all over you in the name of support and entitlement ya ngoma. Deep down you know ni God manze. Wacha wale wanataka kusoga wasoge wote. Ubaki na Mungu. He's more than enough. Watazubaa wakiona what God will make you right in front of their eyes. Na Akenya nĩ mareact na ihenya mũno matongorĩtio nĩ Ese Wawiri official gĩ-quote ũrĩa mandĩka comment section-inĩ. Nipigie nikutumie picha ya my cousin who looks exactly like you. Her name is Jerry too. Waria mahau. Gaceri mũndũ nĩaheo gĩtĩo kĩrĩa gĩ gĩake. Mũrata no agũtige, agũconorithie, agũthekagie hĩndĩ ĩyo ũrarĩra, no magũcambagia kaba mwena wa Ngai. Thanks for standing with her. Kwa ground wengine tunajaribu kusimama na yeye, no ti kũhũthũ. Na mwena-inĩ wake Gĩthaiga wa Chai nĩahithũririe ndeto cia tiga Akenya magegete gĩ-quote ũrĩa andĩka page-inĩ yake ya Facebook. My good friend Theresa mamake Mũraya, I once told you in Mombasa, your people will be my people, your struggles will be my struggles, and your God will be my God. In me you have a brother, and for as long as I have strength and still breathing, your battles are my battles. I told you, not everyone is happy for you, and the industry you are in is one of the dirtiest with powerful people, full of jealousy and bile. I told you of powerful brats that even feel threatened by your existence, and they will do everything to see you down. And by now, I know you have witnessed. Walijaribu kuanua accounts twice, tukawachanuka. Hata hii mchezo itaisha tu. And they won't stop but will invest to hit you harder. Don't give up. He who gives grace and favor is on your side, and nothing can succeed against his plans. Ebu esipikia wa Mũraya kachai na ateremsha na kaugali kaspenza. Na hau Ese Wawiri nĩacokire Gĩthaiga na kũmwĩra hata vita ikuje gani nitasimama na Theresa mamake Mũraya hadi mwisho. Wale wanasema napakwa matope nitaoga baadaye. Na fani ugenia comment na kuga you are Theresa's genuine support system. Thank you Gĩthaiga for seeing the bright side of her. Na ogono maũndũ makĩhana mwĩroreri wa Kikuyu Hot News TV thiĩ na mbere na gũ-subscribe ũgakorwo ũrĩ wa mbere kũmenya marĩa marahanĩka matarĩ maramĩona nĩ mbarĩ ya Nyamenya Magagaĩ. Stay tuned for more updates.